So here it says, which correctly factored form of this function can be used to identify the zeros? So we want to look to see which one of these equals 36x squared plus 15x minus 6. So you need to remember to use FOIL. Remember FOIL, you're going to multiply together the first numbers in each one. So if we look at A, we're going to multiply together 4x times 3x, which is 12x squared. And then you're going to do the outside ones. So 4x times positive 2 is positive 8x. So the outside. And then you're going to do the inside. So negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. And then you're going to do the last ones. So negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2. Then after you do FOIL to multiply it out, you can combine any like terms. So there's no other x squared, so I'm going to just leave that as 12x squared. But this 8x minus 3x, 8 minus 3 is 5, so this is 5x. And then we have that minus 2. So we see that does not equal this function, so the answer is not A. Now we're just going to go through and do the same thing. So the first numbers, you get 36x squared. Okay, that looks promising, right? Now I'm going to do the outside. So 12x and positive 3 is positive 36x. Now I'm going to do the inside ones. So negative 2 and 3x is negative 6x. And then I'm going to do the last ones. Negative 2 and positive 3 is negative 6. Now again, I'm just going to combine any like terms. You see there's the 36x squared. But now to combine our x's, I have 36 minus 6x, which is positive 30x. And then I have minus 6. So not quite there. So now let's look at the next one. First, I'm going to multiply together what's in the parentheses, get my answer, and then multiply all of that by 3. So 4x times 3x, I'm doing the first ones. So that's 12x squared. The outside ones, so 4x times positive 2 is positive 8x. The inside ones, so that's my negative 1 and 3x is negative 3x. And then my last ones, so negative 1 and positive 2 is negative 2. So now let's combine those. We have 12x squared, and then 8x minus 3x is 5x, positive 5x, and then we have our minus 2. But remember, we need to multiply that whole thing by 3. So when we multiply that all by 3, let's just distribute that 3. You want to think of it as distributing 3 to each of these. So 12x squared times 3 is 36x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And this one does equal that original function. So the answer here is C.